Sumit. Sumit, the light is going to come after 5 or 10 minutes over here. Then things will start falling in place automatically. I'll be more
Okay.
visible.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. No, sir. Till then, you talk about more about the color therapy and all the things,
How
how
it
it works.
works.
So it will be
Yeah.
better to communicate with the people on it. Okay. So today is
Okay.
our 19th session on the occult healers in association with TUM, the ultimate mentors, and it's been more than 1 month that we are continuing our session to help the people in maintaining their positive vibes along with to cure them with the COVID. So welcome all and namaste everyone, and thank you for joining with us in every session of us and making it rock on the field of virtual world. Thank you. And thank you Manmeet sir for coming again on the request of us and
Thank you,
taking
ma'am.
your precious time.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome you sir
Thank
from
you, ma'am.
our virtual field of the occult healers.
Thank you, ma'am.
Over to you sir.
Basically, I think first of all, thank you to all of you guys who have shown such, faith. It is a divine intervention faith which is there, and purely because of this divine, we are able to make the difference. You see, when I started this journey about 10 years back, I also never realized that on a metaphysical level, we can treat people and the results can be so amazing. I never knew about it. The journey carried on. So it's almost last 10 years I'm into this healing, and my whatever I've understood from this is that typically whatever you manifest, the thought process, whatever you think, your positive thoughts, whatever you think, you carry on with that only. And believe me, if you have a manifestation, energy, if you look at that, energy can move in any direction. It is not a specific path that I will go in a straight line. Whatever you manifest, whatever you think, and you give that color therapy, it works. Believe me on that. That's what the principle I look at that. I do not go with these specific protocols, and I don't think so. I say my protocols. It is whatever comes in the mind, we apply that, and believe me, it's happening. So, one part which we talk about from a color therapy perspective, which I shared last time also, if you see that I was also sharing with in some other forum also that our smallest cell, which is the smallest cell of our body, which is there, it has got all the organs, whether you call it eyes, whether you call it ears, nose, everything it has got. So what has happened is all these body cells, I believe, if I'm not wrong, I think there are some 66 billion cells in a body. So all these cells, they get together, and finally somebody will become a liver, somebody will become eyes, but ultimately they're part of only one creation, and they have a different role to play. So in this particular case,
Hello. Sir, are you able to listen me?
I think it seems to have disconnected or
Sir,
something.
yeah. I think he have a network issue as he mentioned. Na, he don't having a power, so might be some kind of network issue happen. No,
Meanwhile, yeah, Nivinya, you can check with the existing people who have come up,
yeah,
those who attended the last time, like with the Captain Sir, they were
yes.
benefited.
Okay. So Raghavendra ji is first person who is with us from long. So how you feel sir at that day? So you are mute on mute. You are on mute.
Okay. Actually, two therapies were told to me
Okay.
simultaneously,
Okay.
and I
Okay.
applied both of them.
Wow.
And surprisingly, about 60% of the cure happened.
Wow.
But I was last 2 days, I thought of applying only one by one.
Okay.
So yesterday I wrote only numbers,
Okay.
and today I applied the color therapy told by Captain Manmeet.
Okay. Okay.
And I'm happy to realize that it has been only 3 to 4 hours since I applied, and almost I have my cure level has gone to 90%.
Wow.
I was suffering till yesterday, about the hip pain, which is starting from my spine, lower
Okay,
back,
okay, okay.
and going down to my toe, left side.
Okay. So there is a reason of that ki your root chakra is weak also. You having a tensions in your mind and insecurities in your mind, that is also the reason of having a pain at the end of your spinal cord. So work on your root chakra also, that will help you to
जी
diagnose fast. Eat
जी
red food, underground food, जो जमीन के नीचे होते हैं ना,
जी जी
वो ज्यादा
गाजर
से ज्यादा
मूली
खाइए। हाँ,
आलू
वो ज्यादा से ज्यादा खाइए। और साथ में हरी सब्जियां खाइए।
जी जी
उसके साथ साथ जो है आप अगर घास पर वॉक करेंगे ना, हरी घास पे वॉक
ओके
करेंगे, तो
जी
वो भी आपको बेनिफिट देगा।
हाँ
और
दिस
साथ,
आइडिया केम
यस, एंड साथ ही आप अगर रेड रोज का वाटर पीते हैं, लाल शरबत जो है फूड
ओके
में, वो भी आप पीते हैं, वो भी आपको हेल्प देगा। साथ ही आप अगर रेड बॉटल यूज लेते हैं, तो वो भी आपके रूट चक्रा को जो ब्लॉकेजेस है वहाँ, उसको
जी
हेल्प करेगा। एंड पॉजिटिव होने की अफर्मेशन, रूट चक्रा के पॉजिटिव की अफर्मेशन होती हैं, आई विल
ओके
शेयर इन ग्रुप।
जी
तो आप वो भी अगर बोलेंगे 7 to 11 टाइम्स, वो भी अगर आप डेली बोलेंगे, तो आप देखेंगे आपको उससे भी काफी बेनिफिट मिलेगा।
निविनिया, एक क्वेश्चन
थैंक यू
आया
सो
है कावेरी मिश्रा जी।
जी।
Madam, I have stiffness in breast. It is hard and painful something. What do we do if we don't eat root vegetables?
So if she don't eat vegetables, root vegetables, then you can add red color in your life more, like having a red water, जैसे मैंने बताया, लाल शरबत पीना। आपने चारों तरफ ऐसे, जैसे क्या होता है ना, हम एक छोटे बच्चे होते हैं तो हमें कलरफुल चीजें काफी अट्रैक्ट करती है। आपने देखा होगा, आप छोटे बच्चों के सामने डिफरेंट डार्क कलर्स रख दो और उसके साथ कुछ लाइट शेड भी रख दो, वो जल्दी से जाके डार्क शेड को उठाएगा, लाइट शेड को नहीं उठाएगा। लेकिन जैसे जैसे हम बड़े होते हैं, हमें रेड, ऑरेंज, येलो, ये सब कलर पसंद नहीं आते हैं और हम उनको अपनी लाइफ में यूज भी नहीं लेना चाहते। उसकी वजह से क्या होता है ना, हमारे लाइफ, हमारे ये तीनों चक्रास, रूट चक्रा, सैक्रल चक्रा एंड सोलर प्लेक्सस चक्रा, ये तीनों चक्रा डिसबैलेंस होना शुरू करते हैं।
Captain is back.
Okay, captain is, sir is back, so I'm looking for, yes.
And meanwhile, if somebody wants to directly get the benefit, color therapy can be upgraded. Please raise your hand.
यस यस सर। हाँ, तो वो जो कलर्स का मैं बोल रही थी, 3 चक्रास जो थे, वो हमारे धीरे धीरे ब्लॉकेज आने पे शुरू होता है। और जैसे जैसे हमारी एज बढ़ती है, हमें ये लोअर बैक पेन की इशू, फिर इंडाइजेशन की इशू धीरे धीरे इन्हीं चक्रास से एसोसिएटेड होती है। सैक्रल चक्रा, सोलर प्लेक्सस एंड रूट चक्रा, तो हमारे प्रॉब्लम होने ज्यादा शुरू होते हैं। तो हमें क्या है, अगर हम कोई रूट, जैसे रूट चक्रा से एसोसिएटेड वेजिटेबल्स हैं जो अंडरग्राउंड वेजिटेबल्स हैं, अगर वो नहीं खा सकते, तो रेड कलर को अपनी लाइफ में किसी और तरीके से एडअप करिए। अपने चारों तरफ थोड़ा सा लाल रखिए, और साथ में आप रेड कलर की ड्रेसेस पहन सकते हो। उसके साथ आप जो है रोज वाटर जो बताया वो पी सकते हो। इस तरीके की चीजें आप लोग कर सकते हो। ओके, सो हियर आवर सर इज बैक टुडे अगेन। वेलकम सर, ओवर टू
Yeah.
यू।
So sorry about that. So
इट्स
what
ओके
I
सर,
was,
इट्स ओके।
so what I was sharing was that primarily that moment, whatever the single cell, okay, which is there, they have already formed various parts, body parts, and everything. So over a period of time, we are having so many issues. It could be because of multiple reasons. It could be because of relationships. It could be emotions. It could be change of weather. So there is a certain amount of imbalance which is happening. Our job through the color therapy is that can we address these imbalances? So what we do is, moment this imbalance is there, moment we apply color, color is only helping you out at a metaphysical level, and you will see that all the changes, whatever the issues you people are having, it is ultimately the divine which is doing it. It is not us. It's not us. It's just the divine which is doing it. Our job is only to apply color, thinking about him, and rest he does it. So I personally feel, though there is no light at my end, but I'm sure you guys can still see me. We can still run the live. I think people are looking forward for that. Why don't we still do that? As long as you're able to see my hand, I think we'll be able to do that. Let's do it.
So, Captain Sir, can we read one experience just got from Kaveri Mishra? He said,
Okay.
I give me a color. I'm also happy. Would like to say that last night I applied colors. Morning I saw a drastic change. I'm very positive. It is helping me, and I'll be cured soon.
Thank
Last
you.
time
Wow.
she joined and she got the benefit.
Brilliant.
Good evening, everybody. I'm very happy. You know, last night I was struggling to have some sketch pen colors and the other colors, but somehow I was able to put together colors. Morning, I saw there is so much of change that something is happening. Maybe it's a miracle, or I don't know how this is working, but it is working superbly.
You
Well
see,
done.
this I also feel in the same way, that how it is
Sir,
happening.
today I am sitting with my all pen sketch pen set, and I am continuously messaging people. Please be ready with your sketch pen set today. So today
Hanji.
today the question were taken from the attendees. Then I will ask my question too.
Bilkul.
Livinia,
Anytime.
let us start the one by one, all the patients
Yes, yes, sir.
connected
Yes,
with
sir. Okay. One more person is joined, so I'm taking him on. Okay. So last time as Kaveri ji, you get your therapy, so you are happy now. Anything else you want to know of? Anything more from
Yeah,
sir?
I
You can
just
ask.
want to, yeah, ma'am, I just wanted to know how long does it usually take for complete healing to be completed?
Okay, the healing is in a different way. As I shared, it's all divine's perspective. Okay, whenever there is an acute issue, okay, somebody having a back pain, muscle, emotional issue, couple of them, you will start seeing the result immediately. But somebody says, I got a very, high diabetes, you will again see the change in that. But, in order to get fully cured, give a little time. You see, when we talk about allopathic, homeopathic, we will go for a medicine for a month, 2 months, 6 months. At least give a week or 10 days time to these colors at least. You will see the result immediately, but people generally apply only once and then they give up. I feel that you can give up, that's no problem. But again, should any problem happen, apply it again. That's the whole idea.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. I'm very happy. I'll be in touch with you.
Very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Hi.
Usha Rai ji, unmute yourself and ask your question. And Kaveri ji, mute yourself.
Good evening. Last time I told that I am having pain in my soul, foot
Right,
sole.
ma'am. Hanji,
Yeah,
ma'am.
and you told me to apply some colors. I'm
Yes,
still
ma'am.
applying those colors, but when I go to bed,
Hanji, ma'am.
I'm feeling lot of heat and pain in my soul, and
Okay.
I'm not able to sleep for hours. It takes me about 1 or 2 hours at times, and then I go off to sleep.
Is it because of the heat in the feet, or is it because you are restless? I want to understand that.
Because of the heat.
Because of the heat, right? Is
Right.
it? So what we can do is, you have a sketch pen with you, ma'am?
Yeah, I have.
Great. Right hand, if you see that,
Yes.
small finger
Hanji.
beneath the nail. Take a violet color, apply that.
I have already done it. Last time you told me.
Yeah. I'll give
Should
you
I do
something
it?
else.
Overdo it on it?
Yeah, it's still there. The violet color is there.
Yes, it is there.
Okay, no problems. Yeah, please do that. Now, did I give you green color somewhere?
Yes. Green
Okay,
color on index finger.
okay. What else I gave you?
You gave me yellow color on my ring finger right hand
Okay,
and sky blue color on my little finger left hand.
and sky blue color. Okay, okay. Violet. You said green, and which are the other ones you said?
Violet, green, yellow, and
Okay,
sky blue.
sky blue, na? Right?
Yeah. Hanji.
Did I give you pink somewhere?
No.
Why don't you apply two pink colors on your middle finger, same place,
Okay. Both hands?
both hands, ma'am. Hanji.
Okay. Yeah, done.
Brilliant. No, perfectly fine. See the magic and let me know how you feel maybe tomorrow. Why don't you send me a message on one-on-one? If you need
Sure,
still some changes in the protocol, we will do that, man. Very much.
sure.
This will make the difference. Right.
Okay.
Hanji.
How about my sleeping problem?
It'll be
With
taken.
this,
You
it will
see
be
what
taken care.
happens? Your brain is fully wired. As you do that, as you'll be relaxed, all things will start falling in place automatically.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Raghvendra Rai ji. Sir, unmute yourself.
Ji, namaskar, and thank you very much for telling me the therapy last time. In fact, two of the things I
Right,
was
sir.
applying simultaneously, and I got quite a lot of benefit. I was telling
Right.
earlier to the group members that 60% of the cure happened. Then I switched over only to the color
Great.
therapy today, and
Hanji.
again I applied, and about 90% of the achievement is there. The 10% is remaining. I think
Brilliant.
over the period of time it will be done. My hip
No.
and my foot
Uh,
only is remaining. One problem which I am facing additionally
Okay.
was the spasm in my calf muscles and thighs. But
When
that
does it
has
happen?
come down. That has
It has
come
come
down
down.
quite
No?
a lot. Yes,
You see, as
it has
I
come
was
down quite
sharing
a
with
lot.
you, it is not that we can't treat it. We can treat right now also. But I feel that give a little
Yeah.
time, 1 or 2 days time,
जी,
and still
जी,
you face. Then you give me a call, sir. I'll be more than
ठीक
happy
है,
to help you out, sir.
ठीक है.
Very much.
Thank you very much, Captain Man.
Thank you, sir. Neha ji, unmute yourself and ask your question.
Hello, sir.
Hi, how are you, Neha?
I'm fine, sir.
Hanji. Tell me, Neha, how I
So
can
this
help
is
you out?
yeah, so actually this is new to me. Like
10
I've
years
never
back,
done.
10 years back, I was also thinking. I never believed. Trust me on that. I never knew that this can actually happen. Yeah, Hanji.
Yeah, so actually I like have rashes in my like thigh private areas,
Okay.
and those give me a burning sensation.
Okay. Rashes, burning sensation. Okay.
And these pimples,
Okay.
these two I have. My mom is having the menstruation problem. Like
No,
if she
firstly,
gets,
no. I think we'll go one by one because
yeah,
then
okay.
I will be
Yeah, yeah,
confused. Okay. I will give you protocol for you, right?
yeah, okay.
Okay. So if you can do that, that'll be of great help. Okay, right now, and
Sure.
you let me know. Maybe you see I can only talk about rashes or something. Pimples will take a little while, but there's every possibility
Okay.
that you may get relief right away. Okay, I don't promise. It's a divine perspective, but let's apply that colors. Okay, yeah.
Sure, sir.
So if you see that your right hand, okay, if you take
Yeah.
it, index finger.
Yeah.
If you see the lowest, the part which is connecting, there are three. I would
Here.
say 1, 2, 3, three joints. The lowest joint which is there, index finger. Can you see that lowest joint?
Yeah.
Make a circle around it on the joint, green color. Right hand.
So
So
Right
dark
hand.
suppose
green, dark green
Eh,
or light green?
make it any color. Make it a dark green. Better. Why not? Darker the better, right?
Yeah.
On both the index finger, left and right, same place. Dark green.
so this can be done
So
by everyone who having a rashes on body.
It can be done, but not like this. I'll share with you. Not circle, not like this, Neha. I think so. What I told you that you need to cover the joint. No problem. It's perfectly fine. Color therapy is never wrong. Okay. If you see a joint, make a full circle on the joint.
Like a
Front,
ring.
like
Like
a
a
ring.
ring.
okay.
Sorry. I think it's taking. You see, generally I give a
From
protocol.
this end to this end.
Yes, very much.
So from this end to this end.
Yes, front and back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like a ring. When we wear a ring, the whole ring,
Yeah.
whole finger covered, na, like that.
Yeah, understood. Yeah, understood.
Like
Yes.
that. So in between, anyone else, those who want any kind of therapy, any kind related problem, please
No, no,
raise your
no, no,
hand.
no. I'm not done with Neha. Okay, Neha, you've done the
No,
two greens,
sir,
right?
you are continue with the Neha, but
Okay,
I am taking the people on my list
okay,
to come up
okay,
next.
okay. Got it. Neha, yellow color,
Yes, sir.
right hand ring finger, same place.
Okay, sir. Hmm.
Done. Okay. You said rashes and itching, right?
Yeah.
Violet color
Yes, sir.
on, that is purple, on the right hand, small finger.
Okay, sir.
Done.
Done.
And sky blue color on the left hand, small finger.
Okay, sir.
We will talk after half an hour or so after the session, maybe, I think. So let us know, how do you feel? Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
If you find any changes, let us know. Yeah.
Yeah. And so one more thing, like,
Hanji.
can we do any time, like just had the lunch and we can do?
You see, God has given you such a wonderful system. Why should we should question that? Accept that. Try and see that you yeah, very good. So apply anytime.
Just
No problem with
use
that.
it.
Yeah,
Okay.
use it. But I think preferably give about 5 or 10 minutes time, if you can give that. Not immediately after the food. Just
Yeah,
try and
yeah.
see that. Yeah, that's only.
Okay. So next is
Uh,
Shivaranjani
No,
ji.
actually, I have one more.
Okay,
for my
okay.
mother.
Just wait, Shivaranjani ji, wait.
Hanji.
Yeah.
For my mom, no, she has this menstruation problem from past 5 years. Like if she starts the menstruation cycle starts, that doesn't end within a month if she does not take a tablet.
How do you
I
do it?
think
Where
I
we
think
should?
Shri, sir, is
Yeah.
this related to issue also of premenopause or something
No,
like
no,
that?
no, no, no. I'll tell you one thing. I personally feel I don't want to give any name to it. As I
Okay.
mentioned with you, God has given such a wonderful system. Our job is, if there is some imbalance, let's address it. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Why give a name to it? So what I suggest is, Neha, get in touch with me offline with your mom. Send me a text
Okay.
message on the WhatsApp. I will share a
Okay.
protocol separately. We'll make one for her. Okay.
Okay.
And she's not there with you, right now, is it?
Oh yeah, she is down.
So I think just get in touch with me separately. We will do
Yeah.
that.
Okay. Sir.
Okay. Okay, Neha.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Shivaranjani ji, make yourself unmute and ask your question.
Namaste, sir. Ram Ram. Thank you so much
Ram, thank
for
you,
your
Shivraj.
divine healing. You know, I told my sister, Kaveri is my sister. I told her
Okay.
there is magic going on, so you should attend. Sir, my problem is menopause, maybe. I don't know, bleeding. That's always been a part of my life from a long journey. I'm fighting without tablet positively.
Hanji.
But sometimes I really get angry also, sir. Anger is like really on the top now.
Why? Anger is something I think we need to control ourselves, है ना? नहीं?
Controlling, sir, 100% controlling, but hota nahi hai. Menopause se hi hoye, pata nahi mujhe what is going on. Lot
What's
of
your
changes,
age?
sir.
What's your age, Shivranjani?
I am 46, sir, now.
So why you want to say that you got menopause much earlier? It can happen, na? Anyway, right? Maybe.
Yeah.
You, yeah.
No,
it could
as doctor suggested, I have no idea, sir, about bleeding and all, as I told you.
So what is the issue now? Help me in understanding that. We'll take care of that.
Sir, bleeding happens, then the iron really goes down very badly. Then I really don't have much strength because of that.
Let's take care of it. Let's take care of that, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yellow color.
Yellow color.
Right hand.
Right hand.
The lowest joint, which is there, na? Index finger.
Index finger.
Lowest joint, make a ring.
A ring. Okay, sir. Yes.
Yeah, pure wala, na? Yeah, that's
Pura wala. Yes, sir.
yeah. Make a ring.
Yes.
Green color.
Green color.
Left hand.
Left hand.
Index finger. Same ring. Same place.
Okay, sir. Green color. Yes.
Yeah.
Green. Yes.
Sir, I have a question. As being a woman also,
Hanji.
this menstruation problem, there
Yeah.
is now more than 60% of women having a PCOD issue.
We
And
can address it. We can address it fully.
okay, sir. Okay.
Allopathy doesn't have,
Yes, sir.
but we can address it fully.
Yeah.
Acha, you guys have to, pardon me if I'm making some movement. Reason being, at the farm, today has rained heavily, and with the slide, so many, I think, insects have come in. So I'm doing all that. Anyway, but
No,
we'll
no,
manage.
no issue. No issue,
Yeah.
sir. No issue.
You've done that?
Yes, sir.
Have you applied on the lowest ring
Yes,
joint?
sir. Yes, sir.
Show me the location of the lowest joint. Which is the lowest joint?
This is the lowest joint, sir.
Yeah, understood. Right hand yellow,
Yellow.
left hand green. Okay.
Green. Yes.
And please apply yellow on the right ring finger. Same place.
Right ring finger lower, sir, again.
Yeah, everything is lower for you.
Lower, lower. Everything is again yellow and green. Right.
Yes.
Yes.
No. Take minute. Right hand ring finger yellow.
Right hand ring finger yellow. Yes.
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 Ring only, right?
Yes, sir.
And make 2 pink colors.
Pink color where, sir?
Middle finger, basically middle finger on both the hands. Same place.
Middle finger, same
Pink
place.
color. Pink color, yeah.
Same
I'm
place.
saying, the lowest joint.
Okay, sir. Done.
Ma'am, you will be taken care and let me know. This
Okay,
job is
sir,
done
done.
actually.
Thank you so much.
Apply it for a couple of days, but your issue will be resolved immediately.
Wow.
You still having the what do you call flow, na, right?
Flow in the sense, sir, वही अभी तो नहीं है.
The
जैसे
flow-
आगे तो flow तो भयंकर होता है, sir.
You check it out, and you see at the time of whenever the flow happens, at the time or before, couple of days before that, apply it. This issue will be taken care
Okay.
immediately.
So now you told me
Apply for
green
couple
here,
of
sir, green in the left hand here, and here this
Yes.
finger you said pink.
pardon?
This is
Pink in the pink middle finger.
pink in the middle.
Yeah, both the middle
Only
finger.
pink, sir. No yellow, right? In this finger, no yellow left.
No yellow. Yeah.
Okay, no yellow. Okay, sir, done.
Yeah.
Got it, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Shivranjani ji.
Yeah, welcome, ma'am. Your divine blessing, your divine blessing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Lakshya ji, unmute yourself and ask your question.
Hello.
Hi, Lakshya.
I actually have urtic area allergy.
I can't see Lakshya.
1 second, sorry. Can you see me?
I can see your hand. Only hand.
Hello.
She's
Yeah.
pinned. She's there.
No, actually, I don't know what actually has happened. Yeah, now okay, now done. Lakshya, actually open your video and whatever the sir is saying to
No, I've
show
turned
us.
on.
I can see now.
Just,
Why don't you do me a favor?
yeah.
Can I take 30 seconds break? I think too many, insects basically after the rain. No,
Okay,
I will
sir.
I will try and go to the room and
Yeah, sure.
that-
No issues, sir.
Meanwhile, the Navanya can interact with the people who have come up.
Yeah. Yes, sir. No issues. Actually, the thing is that color therapy was really wonderful. As before, last time, as I watched the videos where people get easily, उनको half an hour में relief मिल रहा है. So it's a very interesting thing that, and sir तो हमेशा बोलते हैं divine blessing है.
Right,
So
right.
that is completely a divine blessing that we are getting relief from such kind of things in couple of minutes or sometime half an hour, sometime using couple of hours. So there are many beautiful reviews of the people like Raghavendra ji and Usha Rani ji. काफी ही है. एंड सर ने जो बेसिक मैंने इशू अभी सर से पूछी है, मेंस्ट्रुएशन एंड पीसीओडी इशू, व्हाट आई एम सीइंग इज more than a 50% of women having a such kind of issue, and a lot of the time that after the age of 35 or 40, the ladies are facing the issue of menopause also, and during that time of the periods the mood swings and the fluctuation in mind also started happen. जैसे अभी शिवरंजनी ने कहा कि उन्हें बहुत गुस्सा आता है, तो इट्स काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स हैपन विद द पीपल, हैपन विद द लेडीज कि मूड स्विंग्स काफी होते हैं इस टाइम पे, दैट 3 to 5 days or 7 days, and before getting the time of also 2-3 couple of days before also people having such kind of issue, एंड उसके चलते क्या होता है, वेट गेन इशू शुरू होती है, ब्लॉटिंग इशू शुरू होती है, एंड ओवरवेट होना शुरू हो जाता है पर्सन ड्यू टू पीसीओडी एंड ड्यू टू मेनोपॉज, एंड जो ये सारी इश्यूज वगैरह चलती है. सो लेट्स सर ऑल्सो कवर ऑल दिस थिंग्स व्हाट द क्वेश्चंस आई हैव इन माय माइंड, and hopefully have a wonderful medication with the help of colors for this, so that many ladies will come out of this issue of having fluctuation of mood and this kind of things also. And thyroid, yes, thyroid, especially with not only with the women, thyroid also happen in the men's also. Thyroid issues are also something else, it's not related to a PCOD and menstruation. Thyroid किसी को भी हो जाता है, yes, especially seen in women's. वो भी सर से कवर करेंगे. Neha ji, I have a doubt. What you have a doubt, ma'am? You can unmute yourself and say.
Ma'am, I have I'm undergoing acupuncture also.
Okay.
And can we do this side by side, like 2 things together or multiple things together?
That sir will answer with acupressure, color therapy.
I'm back very much. You guys can see me now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, are you in car or in truck?
So what to do? There are so many, insects over here. So this guy suggested me to go and sit in the car.
Actually, sir is in Indore and he's having a farmhouse where organic, products are there, and he's into the farming after, yeah. So he's at his farmhouse at this moment in Indore, and from there he's conducting. Yes, sir. Sir,
Yes,
it
sir.
is up to your convenience. Whenever you wish to, we can.
No, Sumit, it was not a problem. It just happened, I believe. There is, I think, while we are here, why not? I think we can address
In a lighter
it.
mode, sir, lighter mode, we should have a color to throw away these insects. Anyways, you can take up the question of the last person.
Yes. Sir, there is a question that Neha ji is going with the acupuncture process also. So she can use the colors and acupuncture together.
Very much. Why not? I think so. Nothing stops us. Why not?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
What I'm saying is, you see, what I'm saying is, as I shared with you, to reach a destination, we have, if you ask me, I can only reach my destination, but I can take any route, whichever route suits me.
Yes,
so
sir.
why I should stop that? There are multiple routes, but destination is one, and you guys should get all right. That's all. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Now, Lakshya ji, your question.
I have Arctic area allergy. Hello?
Yeah, you say, sir is listening. As he said, now he is in car, so there is a issue of light also, and insects are there, so that's why he is in car. So you can see your question.
Okay, I have been having Arctic area allergy for almost 4 months. So if I eat tomato or anything citrus related or by sweat, I start getting allergy and it spreads all over my body, and I get all mosquito hives fully. So it becomes very difficult for me. My body becomes fully red and I get all the rashes and everything.
I think network issue. Okay. Meanwhile, sir will join back again.
So today is little disturbance, but doesn't matter. The
Yeah.
our session will
Yeah.
continue.
एक्चुअली देयर इज सर की डेडिकेशन है कि वो इतनी सारे ट्रबल्स के बीच में भी ही इज हेल्पिंग अस, हेल्पिंग पीपल टू अस हु जॉइन विथ अस. सो मीनवाइल ही विल जॉइन.
So there have been people like color therapy is our second session with Captain Manmeet. So we have invited people like through other healing sessions like prayer, other
Yes,
healings
sir.
like pranic, etc. But I must say that this color therapy is working very effectively, and like in few minutes we are seeing the results.
सर जैसे क्या होता है मेडिटेशन से क्या होता है, वी हैव टू कंटिन्यू द प्रोसेस ऑफ द मेडिटेशन. एंड सर ने कलर थेरेपी बता दी, आपको पता चल गया कि आपको करना क्या क्या है, आपको कलर्स पता चल गए, आपको कहाँ पुट करना है. नाउ यू कैन डू एवरी डे बाय योर साइड. एंड मेडिटेशन जो होता है एंड हीलिंग प्रोसेस जो होता है, जब तक एक हीलर सामने से आके कंटिन्यू नहीं करवाए, it's not been possible. Though we are sharing the videos, I don't think repeatedly people go there and watch the videos. The people watch the videos who will not become the part of the session.
Okay.
They easily watch and take the meditation from there.
So you
and
share
get
the
benefit.
WhatsApp number with people so that if they wish to interact with Captain Manmeet, we'll be sharing his details with them and the video as well.
Yes, sir, I had shared the WhatsApp link in the comment section, chat section. So people join us on our WhatsApp. We will share the captain's number over there. So they get the direct interaction with the sir also.
So question to Lakshya. Lakshya, from where you got to know about the occult healers, these sessions?
One of my cousin does it. So
Okay.
cousin and uncle, they suggested me.
Okay.
Okay.
They've been attending these session, and
Yeah, they've been attending.
so what was their view about so far?
They said it was very helpful and it did work out for them.
Okay. So this is how the word of mouth, like people, because we're not doing any kind of advertisement. It is like it's a kind of open charity service for all, and we are inviting the healers as well. Like if anybody is volunteer, those who are listening to us through Facebook or through this Zoom session, all volunteers are invited here. They can come here, and they would be given like opportunity to help the people. And this is how the humanity works, chain to chain, like person to person. We keep helping out. Time is very precious of everybody. We are taking time, you people are taking time. That shows that there is something like you want to improve your life, and this will continue. This should continue. Nivanya, can you tell about, because you are also into healing, what kind of healing, by the time let me try and contact Captain Sir, that what kind of healing can help out the people. And like you also give many times the healing, particularly the water therapy, you use it. If you can just
Yes, sir. Sir, not only the water therapy, I have a best part to do with is to maintain the chakra balance, chakras. As more I will say about the chakras is that कि हमारी body जो है 7 chakras हैं. Crown chakra to root chakra. Crown chakra हमारे सर के ऊपर होता है, around 2 inches above. And then third eye chakra, throat chakra, and between the heart, between the chest, have a heart chakra, and above the navel, around 3 inches above the navel, we have a solar plexus. Below the 2 inches of navel, have a sacral chakra, and then the root chakra. And all the chakras are associated with our body parts. जैसे थोड़ी देर पहले ही बात हो रही थी कि बॉडी में जब प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं, जैसे लोअर बैक पेन, जनरली पीपल्स को होता कब है, व्हेन जो है एक एज होनी शुरू होती है कंटिन्यूअसली बैठे बैठे
Nivina
बैठे
ji,
बैठे।
sir has come through son's mobile. His name is Soham. Just give
ओके
him
ओके
access so that sir
ओके
could
ओके
come
ओके
up.
या तो मेरी हीलिंग में सबसे ज्यादा प्रेशर होता है कि मैं उन सातों चक्रास को ओपन करूं, एक्टिवेट करूं एंड बैलेंस करने की कोशिश करूं। खाली ओपन होने से भी वर्क नहीं होता, उनको बैलेंस करना भी जरूरी होता है, तब जाके उनसे रिलेटेड जो धीरे धीरे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व आउट शुरू होती है। उसके लिए मैं जनरली हीलिंग में 2 साल से हूँ, लगभग ऑलमोस्ट 2 इयर्स से ज्यादा हो चुके हैं। मैंने उनको प्रमोट किया पैनलिस्ट में, बट ही इज नॉट कमिंग एज अ पैनलिस्ट, आई डोंट नो।
Yeah, he's saying that.
या
In the panelists, you can see he's there.
आई एम नॉट सीइंग हिम एज इन अ पैनलिस्ट।
I think okay. Soham Patil Gurjar.
Yeah.
You can see number
Yeah,
2.
I
Raising the-
made him. I click on the promote to panelist, and before that, I Ganesh ji also I make him to panelist, and there is showing Shoham Patil will be rejoining the webinar as panelist. But
So,
I don't know what happened. I don't know more. But as per my suggestion, Lakshya may do green color ring on both index finger middle joint.
see, these kind of suggestion we cannot randomly
Anil
take.
Jariwala.
If
Anil ji.
you will come as a guest,
Okay.
then we will see that kind of
Now-
experience, because randomly
No,
suggesting
Captain Sir
something.
join. Captain Sir join.
Yeah. Ajay, meanwhile, I'm just sharing a healing code which is to be written on the left hand, and this is for the pre-menopause, perimenopause, and trouble. Healing codes are equally effective as the color therapy. These are written on the left hand every day.
Every day.
Left hand every day by blue pen, and they've been working. Meanwhile, Captain Sir has come up. Yeah, Nivina just pinned.
Yeah, I made him pin, and he is joined.
Yeah. Yes, Lakshya put the
Extremely
question
sorry.
last time, and sir, you were
Sorry,
too.
I didn't know this. Extremely sorry for that. Yeah.
It's
No
okay,
issues,
sir.
sir,
We
Captain
can
sir.
understand this kind of thing happen.
Lakshya's answer you. Lakshya, can you come back, please?
Yes, Lakshya, now we can talk at length. Don't worry, everything is fine. Yeah, tell me, please.
I've been having urticaria allergy for more than 4 months. So if
What
I
is
eat
that? What are you having?
urticaria allergy, due to some blood problem. It is like if I eat some citrus, I start getting mosquito hives all over my body. Then if I start sweating, I start getting mosquito hives. It happens very often for me. Like in general allergy, we get rashes, but for me, I get mosquito hives all over my body.
This is something unique kind of situation, Lakshya.
Is this a net problem for
I
very, very different, unique? I am not still clear on this, Sumit. I need to understand this more deeper. Not very.
Okay. Lakshya, we have a contact number of sir in
You see,
our
what I'll
group.
share with you, you know what I'm saying to Lakshya is, Lakshya should get in touch with me offline, because this will
Yeah.
need a deeper understanding, and I have to give a very, very specific protocol for her. You see, it may be ideal if people are having regular issues which can give result immediately, we can talk in a live session. But for Lakshya, we can give a separate protocol later after the session. That's what my
Okay,
recommendation is.
Okay, sir. So Lakshya, get in touch with sir on a WhatsApp. You can message him. So sir will give you the medication process of colors to you. Okay.
I have one more question. Like I have PCOD problem. So
on that, sir will give the complete details on it, as I had put the question into the front of sir about the PCOD, premenopause, and the mood swings issue during the time of periods ladies have. So we will have a complete analysis on it in some time.
All I can say is PCOD is one of the most difficult part. I think ladies go through it.
So it's
And
really.
though the name is there, it is a, yeah. So you see, there is no cure in any of the allopathy and all for PCOD.
Yes,
Actually,
sir.
they can only suppress, they can give you certain medicines which will only aggravate it further.
Yes,
But I
sir.
think
That's true.
colors are so beautiful that moment you apply, within no time you'll start seeing a change in yourself, and it brings a different change altogether. You're a different person only altogether. So I think let's make this world a better place. We will address it separately very much.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Because recently we had also experimented through the healing codes on this aspect, and the particular healing codes when applied
Okay.
written, that has also cured I think 6-7 people. So
Sir, I'm also giving healing codes to PCOD issues
yeah,
on and
all these
premenopause
are the
issues.
healing means that they are the divine, what
Yeah.
you call the
And
remedies.
one thing is that a lady in my contact not getting her periods from last 15 days means it's been overtime of her periods of getting. So I give her a healing code. She get her periods in 24 hours. That also the thing happened with the healing
Very
codes.
nice.
Yes. This
Coming
kind of
back to
thing.
Nivanya sir's today's sir's day, the
Yes,
color
yes, sir.
therapy. Yeah.
Now the Vinita ji, unmute yourself and ask your question. Vinita ji.
Vanita.
Vanita. Vanita ji. Yeah.
Hello, Namaste ji.
Hi, ma'am. How are you? Namaste, ma'am. How are you doing?
I'm fine. मेरे पाँव में
You see,
बहुत
no one is asking me. A lot of people have knee pain, a lot of people have back pain, a lot of people have muscle pain, so many issues. There are no questions coming pertaining to that at all. I feel, why don't make people walk better?
मेरे पाँव में बहुत
Anyway.
दर्द होता है
We have a pain issue.
कौन से पाँव में, मैम?
वो दोनों पाँव में नीचे नीचे जब चलते हैं ना
Pelvo pain.
थोड़ा दिखाओ कहाँ पे? Where? Can you show me?
Yeah. ये इधर नीचे
नहीं देख पा रहा हूँ आपको मैं. I don't know why. I am able to see Nivanya, not ma'am.
Sir, I made her on a spotlight also.
You have to pin Nivanya, just pin, add pin.
Pin, okay.
Add pin. Sir is also
Okay,
in pin, add pin.
Okay, okay. Yeah. So now are you able to see her?
Yeah, हाँ, yeah.
Yes, Captain Meet.
I am not.
Okay, sir. Nivanya, just pin only Vanita ji and Captain sir can see her, like if that can work.
Vanita ji, आप interact करिए, then he will listen to you.
ओए मेरे पाँव में बहुत दर्द जलन रहती है बहुत जलन रहती है पाँव के नीचे में खड़ी रहती हूँ ना तो बहुत दर्द होता है
Yes, अभी मैं देख रहा हूँ मैम को. हाँ जी. या बिल्कुल. हाँ जी मैम. कहाँ?
वही पाँव के नीचे जब चप्पल पहनते हैं ना उधर बहुत दर्द रहता है जलन रहती है जलन ज्यादा रहती है
जहाँ पे चप्पल पहनते.
हाँ वही नीचे की तरफ से जलन भी ज्यादा रहती है खड़े होना बहुत तकलीफ हो रहा है
खड़े होना बहुत तकलीफ हो रहा है. अभी भी तकलीफ है खड़े होने में.
ऐसे तो मैं करती हूँ बस
तो अगर आपके
दर्द रहता है चलती हूँ फिरती हूँ पर दर्द बहुत ज्यादा रहता है
और अगर दर्द काफी रहता है आप ये कह रहे हो. हाँ जी.
जलन
ठीक है.
दर्द रहता है
एक काम करो मैम. स्काई ब्लू कलर है आपके पास?
है
स्काई ब्लू. तो स्काई ब्लू जो आपका लेफ्ट हैंड है ना, लेफ्ट हैंड देख रहे हो आप? तो लेफ्ट हैंड में ना जहाँ पे जो साइड वाली वॉल है ना, साइड वॉल, somebody has to explain the side wall. एक है फ्रंट वाला पोर्शन, एक है पीछे वाला, और है एक साइड वाला, ये वाला साइड वॉल।
ये
मैम जो साइड
Side
वॉल है
wall.
ना आपकी, हाँ, कैन यू एक्सप्लेन द साइड वॉल? आई थिंक सो, या
सर मैं कर देती हूँ। ये मैम ये साइड वाला पोर्शन, ये जो होता है ना, ये
लेफ्ट हैंड, हाँ, या स्मॉल फिंगर, हाँ जी, उस पे लगवा दो। हाँ जी, अंदर और बाहर दोनों तरफ
कहाँ से?
एक लाइन खींच दो। हाँ हाँ, एक सीधी लाइन खींचो, नीचे नीचे तक, नीचे तक
सीधी
लाइन
लाइन
खींच दो
खींचनी
पूरी।
है,
इधर से?
ऐसे हाँ, ऐसे लाइन खींचनी है, सीधी खड़ी
कोई
लाइन
है नहीं
खींचनी
आपके
है।
पास? कोई कलर लगाने वाला है नहीं?
सर देखिए उन्होंने खींची है ऐसे ही।
मैम आपके पास कोई है नहीं लगाने वाला कलर?
ए,
ब्रिलियंट, ठीक है। और अंदर भी लगा दो, अंदर भी लगाओ दूसरी तरफ।
दूसरी तरफ भी गई। ये हाथ में भी क्या?
लगा
नहीं,
दिया मैम?
दोनों
एक ही
हाथ
हाथ में, एक ही हाथ में,
नहीं
एक
नहीं,
ही
ओनली
हाथ में।
ओनली लेफ्ट हैंड, ओनली लेफ्ट
हाँ
हैंड,
लेफ्ट।
या
हाँ
अभी एक रेड कलर ले लो आप प्लीज। मैम आपकी शक्ल नहीं दिख रही अभी, पता नहीं क्यों। ओके, रेड कलर ले लिया आपने। लेफ्ट हैंड मिडिल फिंगर, वो भी साइड वॉल में। इतना लंबा नहीं लगाना, पर कोई बात नहीं, चलेगा, डोंट वरी ऑन दैट। लेफ्ट हैंड देखो तो लेफ्ट हैंड मिडिल फिंगर, ना सॉरी, रिंग फिंगर, लेफ्ट हैंड रिंग फिंगर। अगर आप रेड कलर लगा दोगे दोनों साइड वॉल्स पे, वो लगा दो मैम।
इधर भी और उस साइड में भी,
आई थिंक her net connection is
उस
not there,
साइड में भी।
some issue
यस
है
यस
ना?
सर, सम काइंड ऑफ नेटवर्क इशू शी हैविंग।
अच्छा, नहीं लगा दिया उन्होंने, हाँ लगा दिया।
उस
रिंग
साइड
फिंगर
भी
पे लगाया
लगाया
है ना आपने?
उस साइड भी लगाया ना? हाँ
अंदर और बाहर,
लगा
ठीक है, अंदर बाहर लगाया ना आपने, ठीक है मैम। चेक करो तो अभी, प्लीज चेक योर फीट राइट नाउ।
अपने पाँव को चेक करिए, क्या अभी भी आपको जलन और दर्द वगैरह महसूस होता है खड़े होकर के?
तभी पता चलेगा।
हाँ हाँ, आप खड़े हो जाओ, खड़े होकर के आप महसूस करो ऐसी कोई इशू अभी हो रही है क्या?
चेक करो मैम, हाँ जी चेक करो।
You can check the next other people if they wish to raise the hand. We have still half an hour.
कल ही बता सकती हूँ मैं वापस, अभी
ठीक है मैम, कोई इशू नहीं है। आप जो है व्हाट्सएप पर जुड़े रहिए एंड हमें वहाँ बताइएगा आपको कैसा फील होता है। अगर कोई और फर्दर मेडिकेशन की नीडेड होगी
नहीं
तो
मैं पता क्यों मैम से पूछ रहा था, आई कैन ऐड सम मोर कलर्स टू हर एंड आई कैन गिव हर इमीडिएट रिलीफ। मेरा मानना ये था
सर उनके ना
कि अगर
नेटवर्क
वो
इशू
मेरे को
है
अभी बता पाए तो मैं थोड़े कलर्स और ऐड कर दूंगा, तो शी विल बी एबल टू गेट अ रिलीफ इमीडिएट।
सर उनके नेटवर्क इशू है, इट्स बीन बेटर, शी विल कांटेक्ट यू ऑफलाइन।
मैं दे देता हूँ मैडम, मोबाइल नंबर मेरी आंटी है वो।
गॉट इट मैम, ठीक है, डन मैम।
वनीता जी आप ना सर से ऑफलाइन कांटेक्ट कर लीजिएगा, आपके कोई नेटवर्क इशू है जो ना आपकी आवाज क्लियरली नहीं आ रही है।
ये अंदर की तरफ भी इसमें लगाना है क्या?
हाँ इसमें भी लगाना था, अंदर की तरफ में, दोनों पर।
अच्छा और कुछ है, ठीक।
Let us take up the next person, Nivinya. Thank you.
जी जी सर,
थैंक यू
सर थैंक यू मैम, थैंक यू। श्रीपाल जी 1% he messaged but now he yes Shripal ji unmute
Okay.
yourself.
You can put your question, Shripal ji. Unmute कीजिए।
मेरा 2018 जून से स्किन का प्रॉब्लम है मैडम बहुत। हाँ सर जी, नमस्ते सर जी।
Yeah. Yes, Shripal ji, sir can hear you.
हाँ तो नमस्ते सर जी, 2018 जून से मुझे स्किन का प्रॉब्लम है। वो पैर के नीचे से पूरा स्किन निकल गया है मुझे, बट वॉक भी बहुत डिफिकल्ट कर रहा हूँ मैं लास्ट 2 साल से।
Okay.
हाँ तो हाथ में भी है थोड़ा, पूरा स्किन चमड़ी उमड़ी निकल जाता है। और 2018 जनवरी फोन को मेरा बाईपास के बाद हुआ, सब बाईपास हुआ था मेरा। ये बाईपास होने के बाद ये प्रॉब्लम स्टार्ट हुआ था।
Okay.
तो उसके बाद मैं एक्यूपंक्चर भी करा, डॉक्टर के पास भी गए, डॉक्टर तो क्या स्टीरॉइड का टैबलेट दे रहा करके मैं स्टॉप कर दिया। अक्यूपंचर गया, अक्यूपंचर भी अच्छा सॉल्व हो गया, लेकिन कोरोना की वजह से मैं जा नहीं पाया, तो अभी थोड़ा थोड़ा ज्यादा हो रहा है वो।
Navinya, can you see sir around?
Sir is
मैं
around
यहीं पे
us.
हूँ.
Sir
I'm
is
very
around us.
Yeah. So sir, Shripal ji has already put a question to you. If you can. Would you are in position to
I'm
respond?
very much here.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
So he has put a question to you about
Can
the
you
skin
see me?
issue. Yeah, yes, sir. We can't see you, but you can respond, sir. Shripal ji already put a question to you. Captain Manmeet.
Can you see me, please? Hello.
No, we are not able to see you. Maybe a low bandwidth over there. But if you wish, you can respond to Shripal ji orally. Yes, sir. Could you hear Shripal sir's question, sir? Captain Manmeet? I think network is an issue at your end.
नेटवर्क का इशू है।
Okay.
रेन भी ज्यादा उस तरफ, इंदौर साइड में रेन भी ज्यादा है, इसलिए इसको
हाँ, आज उधर
वो
रेन
issue
काफी है. सर ने
काफी
कहा
बहुत heavy
ही
rain है। बहुत
काफी
heavy
रेन
rain।
इशू है. Yes. He is back. Sir, have you heard the Shripal ji's question?
हाँ जी मैम.
हाँ, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes,
हाँ
sir.
सर, नमस्कार सर, आवाज आ रहा
can
है
hear
सर?
you.
Hello.
Hello,
हाँ
sir. We can
जी मैम.
easily hear you. Yes, sir. We can
मेरे
hear
को
you.
बड़ा कट के आवाज आ. पता नहीं why. Is the issue from my side or?
Sir, your side. Actually, you having a
पता नहीं.
network
I don't
issue.
know. It was getting disconnected time and again.
Yes, sir. So, sir, for
हाँ जी
today
मैम.
we are taking the last question from Shripal ji. Then we have another session with you in the few days.
Okay.
Okay. So Shripal ji having something kind of allergy. So, Shripal ji, repeat your question.
सर जून 2018 से मुझे स्किन का प्रॉब्लम है सर, और जून 4 2018 को मेरा बाईपास हुआ सर। ये बाईपास होने के बाद मुझे स्किन का प्रॉब्लम हो गया। मैं डॉक्टर के पास भी ट्रीटमेंट लिया था, वो स्टेरॉइड टैबलेट दिया करके मैं स्टॉप कर दिया था, क्योंकि 2-3 साल के बाद और ऑपरेशन हो जाएगा करके। बाद में मैं आके अक्यूपंक्चर के पास गया, अक्यूपंक्चर से पूरा सॉल्व हो गया, ये वापस स्टार्ट हो गया। कोरोना से की वजह से लास्ट 1 साल से जा नहीं सका, वो खुद नहीं देख रहा और मैं खुद नहीं जाना चाह रहा हूँ। तो आपका थेरेपी देखने के बाद लगा कि आप कलर थेरेपी में वो कुछ अच्छा है करके, और कल रात को भी आपको व्हाट्सएप किया था सर मैं आपको।
Yes, Captain sir.
Sumit, I don't know why there is some issue here with the network. I don't know.
Okay.
Okay, sir. No,
I think
नो
we
प्रॉब्लम
will.
सर, नेटवर्क मेरे पास फोन नंबर है सर, उनका फोन
Hello.
नंबर है, मैं कल वीडियो कॉल में भी बात कर लेता हूँ। नो
Sure,
प्रॉब्लम।
sure.
Yeah, sir.
कोई भी नो प्रॉब्लम।
Sir, he will get you by the WhatsApp message directly to you, so that you can reply him over there. No issue, sir. And we have another session with you in couple of days, or in next week, or later on the week, whenever it's possible for you to come up. Over to you,
Meanwhile,
Sumit sir.
Navinya, we can do one thing. Whatever the healing codes I have, I can give it to the people. If those healing codes are covering the diseases, these healing codes are not the alternate of medical prescription you are already taking. These are the divine healing codes which are available, and by tuning it, yes. I can help, because Captain may not be able to continue. These healing codes have been very effective, are to be written on the left arm. If Captain Manmeet can rejoin in between, we'll invite. Next 15 minutes are left. Yeah. Anybody, if I can give?
सर, हीलिंग कोच के बारे में एक और चीज बोलती हूँ। एज हीलिंग कोच जो है, लेफ्ट हैंड जो पे लिखते हैं, वो जो राइट हैंडी पर्सन होते हैं उनको लेफ्ट हैंड पे लिखना होता है, बट जो रिटन वर्क लेफ्ट हैंड से करते हैं ना।
No, I'll tell you, इस पे थोड़ा रिसर्च किया था निविन्या। मेरा ये व्यू है the left part of the body is the receiving end.
Okay, okay.
Irrespective of whether you write by left or hand, that is immaterial.
Okay.
So to receive any energy from outside, the heart is there, and that side this healing code is. So it works
Okay.
accordingly. So if
Okay.
any person wish to get any kind of healing code, if Captain, are you able to rejoin or resume, Captain Manmeet?
Captain Sir is in
Yeah, I'm
very
very
terrible
much here.
position.
Yeah,
What I am
yeah.
seeing him
I know, but
in a video,
he
it's a
doesn't want to.
complete.
He is a Fauji, an
Sumit, there
army
is
officer.
some issue with the network.
I understand, sir. I understand. So we'll invite you in another session, full session. So, so you
In
can
the coming
use.
week, sir, in coming week, I think we have a session, alternate session on Sunday.
Yes,
As
yes.
today
we'll
is Saturday, and we have a have alternate session on Sunday, coming Sunday. As far as there is a session on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. No,
नहीं,
Monday,
अभी
Wednesday, and Friday.
after today, the next session will be on 1st of June because
1st of June,
31st,
that is
yes, our
Monday.
that session is there.
Okay, okay.
So, and then it will start as 1st, 3rd, 5th, 7th, all 4 days it will continue. So we
Yeah,
can
so
close
next
the session.
Saturday.
Yeah. We can close the session by thanking Sir, Captain Manmeet. Thank you very much for joining us. We're gonna have, with the better connectivity and bandwidth, another
Thank you so
session
much.
with you. Thank you very much, sir. Meanwhile, we were talking
Right.
about the healing codes, sir. We were talking about the healing codes. So people, those who are inclined to
Right.
get the healing codes, they can put their
WhatsApp
questions.
us.
Yeah, WhatsApp us, or they can put
WhatsApp
here
us.
also. We'll help them out, Nevinya. If
Yes,
immediate,
sir.
yeah, if anything can be given just now directly, because I have the open healing codes now. Any
Yes, sir.
query you can put in the message.
Anyone want to get the healing codes, put your
I have
question in the
given,
message box.
yeah,
And
Jitendra Solar
for
put a question about hair loss. I have given nourish hair loss as well. It can be used. Or rest other your question, you can put it on our WhatsApp group. We'll be sharing and we'll be trying to help you out. Okay. So Nevinya, you can close the for backache. Yes. Which
sir,
place the
there
backache?
is a gastric issue. One is a gastric issue, pain in sole, and one is for backache.
Yeah. So gastric issue, I am giving it's a healing code 27 space 55362. You can see in the chat box.
27 space 55 space 362. While writing healing codes, please maintain the proper space and use the blue color on your left hand, left side. Don't write on palm, please. Don't write on palm. You have to write on the left side. So write on here, anywhere on left hand, but don't write on palm. So gastric reflux 27 space 55 space 362.
So we have another wheezing.
Next is pain in sole, means generally a pain in general.
Yeah, we have that. So, but this healing, okay. I have a specific one in my other set, so I'll share on the WhatsApp that one. Not here.
Okay.
Because it's not
sir.
a pain in general, it's pain in the soul.
Yeah.
So I'll share
pain in
that
sole.
one. Yeah.
And back pain.
Back pain. Back pain
Sir,
at which place back pain? Because upper, lower.
Lower back pain or upper back pain. The person who had asked, Renu Lambaji, your question is that having a back pain on which side, lower or upper? And there is cervical spondylitis also. Lower back pain and for cervical spondylitis.
So this is the general pain. It is to be written at two places, the left arm as well as the place where the pain is. 71 space 81 space 533 for back pain in general. This specific one, I have 5-6 categories. So you will have to identify which particular one. Is it lumbago one, which is pain in the muscle and joints of the lower back, or if it is for problem with the
7181.
yeah
7181 533.
back pain.
Yes.
If it
Space
is
है.
yeah,
Oh, put WhatsApp my.
yeah.
71 space 81 space 533.
Okay, and another because they talked about the lower back one, so
Yes, sir.
there's another one. I'm giving it just 1 second. Lower back particularly, so both can be written at the back as well as on the left arm.
Okay, 71 space 91 space 334. That is for lower back pain. 71 space 91 space 334. Answer cervical spondylitis, please.
Spondylitis, I'll have to take it out because as of now I'm not in position. So you can WhatsApp, I will share it.
Okay,
Which are
that
easily
you get
available.
on.
Easily available, I'm sharing those.
Okay, okay. So shoulder pain.
Shoulder is very common and it's a very effective also. We have used it many places. So you can write 17 space 16 space 911.
17 space 16 space 911. That is for
These all
shoulder pain.
are to be written at that place where the pain is, particularly the shoulder, the back. You have to write two places at the left arm as well as the place where the pain is.
So for sciatica, please.
Sorry. Sorry.
This is sciatica. Sciatica होता है कि sciatica? I don't know completely. The proper name is.
So sciatica.
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 Okay. Sciatica, I'm just giving. I have that.
Write down all the codes in your diary somewhere so that you don't have to ask again and again, and it will be very easy for you to take out from there.
These healing codes again to be written at the place where the pain is.
For sciatica is 78 sciatica 78 space 833. Seven eight space 833.
Shiza put a
Thank you,
question. Good
Thank
evening, sir. What if doesn't write in arm rather than any part of left part? See, normally arm is something very comfortable, but yes, there is no bar. You can write anywhere at the left. But I prefer not below the waist. I prefer upper the waist side. You can write anywhere. There are certain codes which are written on the particular part also where the pain is. Weight loss and obesity. Yes, there are codes. But you have to be very regular about it.
Yes, have to be very regular. And these codes for weight loss and obesity, you can write on the water bottle you use for yourself. You can write on
the
that
color
also.
is changing, Nivenya, for the weight loss. You have to write, I'm giving this weight loss by red pen.
Yes,
Red pen, and that too on stomach and the places you feel like the weight is accumulated.
31 space 22 space 778 for weight loss. Use red pen for this.
And obesity also, there are codes. Obesity in children or the elder people?
So I think elder one, because obesity, I think obesity is due to weight gain, I think.
Yeah,
is that Hemanji?
Yeah, but children have a different code. So
Yes. Yes, Hemanji said yes. Obesity is due to overweight issues. So for overweight now, you can do one thing also in an alternate day. Not in alternate day, use 3 colors of bottle: yellow,
you read it,
orange, and
Nivenya?
red.
2565993. All these codes to be written by red pen. Red pen only.
25 space 65 space 993. This is for obesity. Use the red pen.
Yeah. So
which hand? Left side weight loss. Also over the belly you have a fat, means जहाँ stomach portion में आपके fat है, generally stomach में fat ज़्यादा जमा होता है वहाँ पे, and left hand also.
So we are just reaching to our final few minutes, 5-6 minutes. If anybody is having any kind of, this is the beside this, we have a collection of the certain binaural music therapy also. So like one of I have shared about the menstrual. I'm just sharing it.
And so one more thing, important thing today I want to share on this platform is that, sir, all you have our numbers, all you are connected with us on our WhatsApp. Please, whenever you are in need, you want to talk to us, you can easily message us. You can easily call us. But in spite that, don't make a video call to us. I'm getting a video call from 2-3 people who are in our group itself. I don't want to name or number of them. Please don't do this. We are not here to entertain on such other things. We are here to help you. So don't do such kind of things. Otherwise, we have to take a strong step. We will remove you from the group. If I continuously get the call, such kind of things, irrelevant call. So there is a few people, I can share the number directly to you. They make a missed call. They make a WhatsApp video call.
We'll take care of this issue 100%, and the message has gone to the people. So we are closing this session today with that intention object to help out people by all divine methods, which includes healing code, which includes all these calling people here, and they are not these things are not the alternative medical
medicines,
practices and medical prescriptions.
Okay, so let me repeat the code of regulation of the thyroid gland. 8686 space 694. Again, I am repeating.
Thyroid is a blue color. Thyroid blue color.
Thyroid blue color. 86 space 694. Irregulation of the thyroid gland means those who have a thyroid issue, you can use this code. Use it with blue color.
Yes.
And pain at right shoulder joint up to neck and upper back portion, along with middle portion between wrist and wrist elbow and between elbow shoulder. Is it for last 2 months? Please suggest me recovery. Thank you. This is the Shubhashis Dasgupta.
What is the question? I'm sorry, I couldn't hear.
Pain at right shoulder joint up to neck.
Just write at that place only. So just write on that portion with the blue pen.
And then is the upper back portion to the middle portion between wrist and elbow.
So I think this condition I'll have to see, because there are technical 5-6 conditions. So you please share on the WhatsApp. I'll share the exact, because these codes are not having any side effect. We want to help you out with the correct code. Knee, yes, knee we have. Is it torn meniscus issue or yes, or the knee pain in general?
Okay, let me again repeat one thing. These healing codes will help you to cure fastly along with your medicines. They will not replace the medicines and your medical doctors. No, they are healing codes. Means he there. Meaning is into it itself. Healing means what? We are healing by self. So this will increase your healing process along with your medicines. So after using this, don't stop your medicines. Don't stop visiting your doctors and all. Keep on doing that also. They will help in curing you very well.
So with this note, Navinya, let us thank you all of the people who joined.
Thank you to Captain Sir again, as he is not with us due to the issues. We will have a session with him again. Thank you, sir, for having a wonderful session. And we will keep continuing helping people. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, stay home. हंसते रहिए, मुस्कुराते रहिए और खुशी से जिंदगी बिताते रहिए.
Next session 1st of June now. 1st of June.
Yes. Now the session is on 1st of June. Okay.
Thank you very
everyone.
much. Thanks God.
Thank you.